What on earth have you done? What are you doing? Oh, here we go. Righty, so we have got this lovely repair. Don't really know what's made it collapse, but there's been a few repairs on this wall going all the way down. The stone is actually looking really good to what some of the wall is. Most of it's just like little bits like that. So we have put a bit of mortar in, but what we're going to do is just basically assess it. It's only a quick repair. Like I say, this wall is so long. It is a massive perimeter wall. So you get a few of these now and then. Anyway, to start off with, what we're going to do is crack on with clearing the brambles back, pile up the stone into sort of piles, just sort of big and small. Well, building and hearting. And then, yeah, just assess the wall, basically, to see how far down we've got to go. It looks like we probably will have to go down quite far because this bit's proper leaning out. But, yeah, we'll just assess it, really. Get our teeth stuck into preparing our workspace. And then, yeah, we'll sort of take down this single layer here just so it doesn't collapse. There's no risk. And job will be a good one. Righty, let's crack on. Monday, baby. Come on, quickly. Oh, no. This is not good, mate. This is not good. Do you know why?
Why?
Because we're going to get wet.
Yeah.
We are going to get wet. Right, we'll see if this passes, but we are just nearly at the bottom now. So we can start thinking about foundation. How about that? How about that? But hopefully this stops, because this is horrible. You think that's an earwig?
Well, not anymore, no.
It is a centipede. I think millipedes have more legs than a centipede.
Yeah, it's just the way, like, all his little spiny
I know, it's
legs.
mad, isn't it? Look at what's the back end? Oh, yeah, earwigs are like, they got the pincers, haven't they?
I thought it was an earwig because of its tail.
No, well, no, that's not pincers, I don't think. I'm pretty sure that's just a centipede. If anyone knows what that is, can they leave it in the comments below?
I like this way, the way that this bloke is like just going round in circles and thinks he's actually making it somewhere.
Well, in a way, you're actually quite cruel for making him go round and round in circles.
He's just sort of walking.
I'll let him go. Put him over there. Put him in the bush. Righty, we are at sort of ground height. So what we're going to do is probably go down on a couple more courses. You can see the size of the courses. Really big stones getting pulled out, which is a big bonus. It is pretty alright, actually, as you can sort of see, like the base, the foundation is absolutely fine. This is toppled over. I think it might have been a car. I don't know. But anyway, we're here just to do a section repair. So we are going to use a bit of mortar, like I said earlier, just in the backs, just now and then. It's just going to be a hybrid wall, so it's going to be a little bit of both. It's how we've done the other repairs along the wall. So yeah, like I say, just going to get a couple more courses out and then wang in a couple of big ones and then just start building up, really. Try and get a good flat base in today, well, from this section to that section. What I'm going to do as well, just on the connections as well, I'm just going to put some mortar in the middle just to tie it in, and also because we have got to stop somewhere, it just really reduces any collapse basically of the loose hearting, and even if we get any like bad weather or something overnight, just putting in a bit of mortar just sort of stops it. It just, you know, better to be safe in it. But yeah, no, so like I say, it's pretty all right, really. Sort of, we have gone a bit further than we should have, but it's always the way, because it's such a big stone, when you do disrupt one of them, you take a bit more off. But yes, that is the aim anyway for the rest of the afternoon. We have moved everything back. Like I say, a lot has come out of this wall, so that is good. It's a sign of a good dry stone wall, that, when you've got loads of stuff, loads of hearting. Oh, that road is loud. But yes, so anyways, crack on, and like I say, let's see if we can get a lovely flat base in. Lovely jubbly. Keep. Sounds like they're going like 100 miles per hour.
Yeah, it does.
what?
Wouldn't want something like this right outside your house, would you? Like a proper main road.
No.
Yes, this is
One stone again. Once you get that level, like, it'll be plain sailing.
yeah.
Use up all the air. Oh! I've used some of this stuff. Beautiful. That's it. Trying to level this out. Leveling it out, mate. I'm gonna use this rough stuff. Yeah. Still peg every stone, yeah, when you do it.
Legs keep on sliding.
The legs keep on sliding.
Sliding down the hill.
Sliding down the mountain as she comes. Boom! Right, as you can see, the weather's coming in now, so I think it is our call to go. We've got a good base in, so that's all good. We'll get it covered up, and yeah, like I say, resume tomorrow.